This step involves sewing the lining and the body together. Take the previously sewn lining and the body. The lining should have the right side facing out. Tuck the lining into the middle of the body fabric as shown. Sew along the marked line using red thread and backstitch, joining the body and lining together. Align the edges of the body and the lining fabric for sewing. Continue sewing along the edge. Although one round of stitching is done, for added stability, you can continue sewing a few more stitches along this edge. Don't forget to tie a knot. When finished, it should look like this. After sewing the lining and body, turn it right side out. Stretch and arrange it so all right sides are facing out.